Today I will help you how to create Google site. Okay, now start. I first log in sites.google.com. I was login using my email. Here, front page. Start a new site. Start. This is your Google site home page, front page. Okay, first enter site name. Enter. I was given name Sabbir07. You can also add logo. Click navigation color black, header color black. I was take. Okay. Now your page title. Welcome. Welcome to my home page. Text align center. Text I was take bold. Okay. Welcome to my home page. You can also add here background image like change image, upload select. I was at background image. If you need change it, okay, change image, select image, add change image. Okay, here if you need add web pages, Google site web pages, go here pages plus new page, page name, about, services, and new page contact us. Contact. Okay, I was take for 3 web page, home page, about, service, contact. Okay, I will add service page to inner pages. Okay, pages section, pages. Here right click, add sub page. Page name page 1, done. Page 2. Okay, to sub page 1, page 2. Okay, I think it's clear, very easy, drag and drop website. Now home page, insert text box, name given, about us, text bold, align, center, color, background color, If you need change about us, then below to section upload image plus click select image, upload upload here again, upload text color black, contact us here about us. Okay, let's take to section about us and contact us. I will take now I will take hyperlink about us, select insert link about page about apply and contact us, insert contact us apply, uh, contact contact us, remove contact us bold, contact us insert link, contact apply. Okay, then publish to the web address submit07 custom URL sites.google.com view submit07 publish view submit07 about us, contact us, about us, click here about us, about home page, contact us, click contact. Okay, now image over link, double click, insert services apply, publish publish view image over link service page, here click service. I think clear it how to use hyperlink. I will help you only how to use Google Site Tools. Okay, when you know all tools using how to use all tools Google Site, then you can make any type of Google site. Okay, okay, let's go about a space. About a space take text box about me text align center color uh, color about me. Here take two section. Now I will add YouTube video. Okay, here click YouTube, upload. Here double click, YouTube video. Here upload again. YouTube. How to create, how now clear how to upload YouTube video. Now I will help you how to embed YouTube video. Here embed URL, go YouTube. Go YouTube. Now take YouTube video URL, copy. Here my URL, paste, insert. YouTube video, insert here. Now embed again, embed code. Now copy embed code, paste embed code here, HTML embed code. Next, insert. Insert. Now clear how to post or insert YouTube video. First I was using YouTube video. Now embed URL. Okay. Now publish. About us page, about page, YouTube video. Okay. Now contact page, contact page. Now I will add location map. Okay, here map, click the location. East London, UK. Select here location map. Location map. Simple. Just click map and paste here. Now go home page. Now I will add slideshow here. Click upload. First need two images, then board. Upload. I must upload two images and upload one more. Go settings, auto start, yes. Transition speed medium, insert. Here, slideshow, save. Publish, view. Publish again. Publish, view. Here again. Okay, slideshow running. Okay, I was using lots of tool Google site. It's very easy to use drag and drops like WordPress. If when you know all tools, how to use all tools Google site, then you make any type of website Google site. Okay. If this video help you, please subscribe YouTube channel. Also like, comment and share. Okay. Thank you.